Hi, I'm Chef John Benedict, Executive Chef of Mom's Meals. Welcome to my home. It's a meal prep day for us, so I thought it'd be a great opportunity to show you how to make a green goddess dip. It's kind of a fan favorite for us that we've taken to shows and conferences and a little snack around the office, something healthy for you. You know, during these times we're all working from home with our families, our little ones all around us, so this is a great opportunity to have something healthy for us. So Dylan, we get ready to go? Let's do this. So, a green goddess dip, some great fresh herbs to it. Some herbs that I do have is some fresh dill. It's got a great floral note to it. Some fresh basil, a little fresh parsley, some spinach in there. But I really think this fresh dill is what's going to make it. So we're going to add that to our blender. I got a blender here set up. And again, don't worry about the recipe for this. We're going to have it for you, available for you as well. So we're just going to get started on this. Right now, we're going to start throwing everything into our blender. And again, we're at home on an afternoon with kids running around, the dogs running around. So this is just going to be like a fun little quick video for you to see and hopefully enjoy it at the end. So we're going to put in here some Greek yogurt and a little bit of whipped cream cheese, just to kind of give us some base and some good base for our dip. I also have like a garlic clove and some green onions that I've chopped up. I'm going to throw that in there too. So I'll put that right in. We're going to put in a little Dijon mustard. Spoonful of that or so. Some honey, just for a little bit of sweetness. We'll give it a couple good squirts there. A couple grinds of salt and pepper. There's that pepper. Pinch of salt or so. Some fresh lemon juice. Cut in half. Don't worry about the seeds. I'll kind of just drain it through my hand and collect any seeds that may come out. This is going to make it have a nice fresh note to it, a little acid to it, brighten it up as well. We'll put that right in it. And then we're going to pack all of those fresh herbs and spinach right in the blender. And hopefully it all gets in there no problem. Now, I will say this. The biggest mistake some people make is they turn their blender on without putting the lid on it. You know, as an executive chef, you would think that I would never do that, but I've done it. So make sure your lid gets on there nice and tight. I got this plunger, and we're just going to start blending this together and making our dip. Pushing it all down, it should come together pretty quick here for us. And that is it. So take that off. We're just gonna kind of scrape the edges down just a little bit to make sure everything's nice and incorporated. All the parts to it are there. It smells really good. You can smell that dill, a little bit of that basil. The way we're going to serve it is I got a couple little glass cups. We're just going to put a little in the bottom of each cup. One in that cup. Uh-oh. Is that not enough for you? A little bit in that one. Set that off to the side. And I got some great vegetables. Some colored carrots, some red pepper, some celery. You can put cucumber with it. Even toasted pita chips. You know, kind of whatever you like. I'm going to stick some of those in there like that. Yeah. Put some of those in there. Right here. One of those, and that's kind of how we'll go about serving it up for us. Again, green goddess dip, little green goddess dip for us. I'll have that recipe for you as well. And I just want to say, we're going to do a giveaway as well. We're going to offer out 2 ultimate dinner parties. These ultimate dinner parties is something that the culinary team's going to make for you at Mom's Meals. We're going to prepare it, ship it to you through FedEx, so you can warm it up at your house and have about 6 people over for a great party where you have to do pretty much very little work to make it happen. And we're also going to send you some flowers. Mom from Mom's Meals is going to pick out a great bouquet. We're going to ship it direct to your house as well, so you have a great dinner party going. Again, John Benedict with Mom's Meals. Hope you enjoyed the Green Goddess dip today. Working from home in these times can be tough, but this is a healthy alternative to kind of keep you going. So everybody take care, and we'll see you next time. You ready, buddy? You want to try it? He likes it.